This is the Dreo Evaporative fan, basically a mini swamp cooler, and so far I have to say I'm really enjoying this unit. Overall, it's big. Can't really tell, but I'm 6 foot tall and it comes up to my waist, so this is a big old honking unit. And the reason that is on the very bottom, this whole area is where it holds the water. You can see the water level. And honestly, it holds about a gallon of water, and it comes with these 2 mini ice packs, and you open it up from here and you store all the water and stuff in there. Now what I found is the ice packs that they include are nice and they work, but they get warm pretty fast. So what I do is I just fill it up halfway with water, and then I drop a bunch of ice cubes in there. And I've noticed that has really made a difference in keeping the air nice and cold. And I'm telling you what, there's a pump connected up to here, and I don't know the exact mechanics of it, but basically the cold water gets up to here and is blown out. And it makes a big difference compared to my regular fans that don't have this evaporative feature. It works really nice. And as far as the functions go, it's a digital display, so you turn it on. That's your speed function. So 1, 2, 3, and you can see 1 is fairly quiet, and even 3, it's quiet and it's really moving a lot of air, so it's good. And then this, you can actually run it without the water, and then that turns the water back on. You got a sleeper function, set the amount of time. And overall, and another good feature is the way this thing rotates. It rotates really fast. And I mean, if you're looking at this, I kind of like it because I don't have to wait for it to come back after a minute, you know what I mean? But it just rotates back and forth very fast, which is nice. So overall, I have to give this item a 10 out of 10. Hopefully this thing lasts.
Alright, here's a quick video of this Dreo tower fan. Alright, first off, the base comes in 2 halves and you have to kind of just snap it together. And then the water compartment's going to be in the bottom of it right there, and that's going to show you the fill level. Alright, let's try to turn her on and see what she does. Whoa, that's got some blowing power. I can already feel it. Whoa. Yeah, I like that. Okay. Pretty nice. Let's see what this button does. Alright, I hit the moisturizing button, and it's blowing a lot colder. I will have to kind of reposition it in my room because it's turning a little bit much. Let's see if I can turn that off. Alright, that's better. Alright, so to turn it off, you just hit that little rotation button right there in the bottom corner. But yeah, it blows really strong. It does come with 2 ice packs that you put in the bottom for the water to make it even cooler, but honestly I don't think it really needs it. Just the water alone seems to be doing really good with moisturizing, but yeah.
Pretty easy to put together. You just have to put the base together and then put it on top of or on the bottom of the fan. It comes with a remote or a touchpad. And then per the instructions, this at the bottom is where you put the water. or the ice packs that came with it.